Like here, and Amazon had a deal. As you can see, the Ring video doorbell, very popular Ring security. I am a big fan of security cameras, so $169. It included the Echo Dot, which I've actually been wanting for my bedroom. So, I mean, these things seem to be 200 or more. I haven't been following this specific model that closely, but it seemed like a decent deal. So I figured, why not? I'm getting the Echo Dot anyways. And like, Amazon bought Ring, so they should work seamlessly together. So we can go ahead and unbox this. All right, so open this up. So if you already have the Alexa app and another Echo device, basically this should be pretty easy. All you really have to do is plug it in. So I have it plugged in to the back there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just test this on this outlet right here, and then it should automatically connect.
Hello. Bringing your device online. Just a moment. Your device is ready.
So about a minute after it was plugged in, it's already ready to go. All right, so we'll go ahead and open this up. So here it is. Pretty nice. It has your brackets. And then I believe it is battery powered. This is my first time using the Ring, so I believe it does have a rechargeable battery. So, and here is the battery. So you just plug this, back of that, into a USB port, and then go ahead and charge it up. So go ahead and do that now. All right, so you have your camera here, doorbell, right? And then it comes with different brackets, corner mount or wedge mount, or you can just screw this straight to your wall. Everybody's situation is different with the doorbell. A lot of people have it screwed. Unfortunately, mine isn't. Mine actually is like a strong adhesive tape. Mine is out there, so it's really not hardwired. But I personally don't care about a doorbell. If someone presses this, especially if you have the echoes, it should alert you. So you really don't need like a ring like like they kind of did back in the day, where it would ring throughout the house. Someone presses this or approaches this camera, you'll get a notification. So you really don't need the sound. I personally don't care about it, but it's kind of up to you in your house, whatever the situation is. Alright, so here's the app. It's the Ring app in the App Store. You can just search Ring and then download that. Go over to the Ring app and then just create a new account. So you have to put in your information and then register. Once you're in there, set up device, add device doorbells. It asks about accessing the camera. Click OK for that. And then there's a code on the back of the camera. Go ahead and scan that. And you can click wherever you're going to put it, front door. And then going to ask you to put in the battery. So I'll show you how to do that. There's the battery. Just basically slide it right in. There's a button that says push. Take it out when you need to charge it. So start blinking. And then now you want to click the setup button, and there's a little sticker that says setup. So there it is at the top. Click that little button and you should see the ring light, and that's trying to connect to your Wi-Fi. Searching for the Wi-Fi network. So find your Wi-Fi on there, you click it, and you just have to put in your Wi-Fi password. Go ahead and connect, and then that's it. You're set up. It'll ask you some follow-up questions. Software update, goes into how to mounting the camera, internet test your connection, and that's it. Basically, you can set your motion. It asks you kind of where your house is, if you have steps, how far away you are from the street. And it asks about certain feet. Your motion settings, and then as far as your notifications, I just did the standard for this, and then that's it. Then there's your notification screen. That's where all the notifications will show up. And there's the dashboard, main page basically, where you can change all the settings. I turned on the live view. It did say that it'll eat up more battery. So there it is right there. So you can test the live view. And then you can call it, hit the green button if you wanted to talk. So that's what I did there. You can talk to the person. So back to the main page. And then there's what your notifications will look like. Motion, someone's at your front door. Alright, so there you have it. The Ring Video Doorbell 2 with the Echo Dot. $169. If you are a Prime member, you get the one-day delivery in most areas. My area, I did get that, so that was pretty nice. So overall, it is a really nice camera. It is somewhat pricey, but it is a brand name, so you kind of expect that. Also, with battery cameras, they tend to be a little bit more expensive. So works well with Alexa, and it's pretty highly rated. 4.1 out of 5 over 7,000. But obviously these have a lot of, like this one has over 14,000 reviews there. So that one is a little bit more fancy looking. But overall, these Ring has become very popular, if not the most popular name in home security. I think every house should have a home security camera, multiple cameras, and this is basically the least you can do is get this camera. So I definitely recommend a camera for every house. No matter what type of camera you go with, definitely get one for your house. But overall, thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions, guys. Thanks.